Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. This is more like an introduction video, an explanation video. The video where I want to reintroduce myself, yes, and explain the reason for my absence. I've been absent for about 2 months. I think close to 2 months now. I know myself to be an inconsistent person. I can generate a lot of ideas. In fact, I am an idea generator, but I find it difficult to concentrate. I find it difficult to say this is what I want to do and do it till thy kingdom come. I don't know if it's because of the ideas, numerous ideas I always have. By the time I'm doing this one, I have another idea. I'll dump this one. I want to do another one. I'm doing that one. Another idea comes up. I'm doing that other one. So I just find it difficult to be consistent. But God, I know I'll be putting it into prayer because I want to be able to be known for something. I want to be known for this is something she has done for 5 years, 10 years, and she's still on it. Yeah, God is just going to help me. So, welcome. My channel was Bukechi Does It. For my all these my old subscribers who have known, yeah, you guys may be wondering, is this like another channel? Is she running a second channel? No, I'm not running a second channel. This is the channel you know, the channel you subscribe for. Yeah, Ukechi Does It. Well, currently, I am the financial hustler prince. It feels so fine. It feels so unique. It feels so professional. It feels so cool. I don't know. It just feels. I've been battling with name. This is one thing I cannot lie. Before I even chose that one, I chose the Ukechi Does It. I have battled with name for the longest. You know, when you want to start up a YouTube channel, you have to use a name that is unique, a name that is easy to remember, here that people can remember, and a name that is unique. It's not something when you go to search, you're seeing numerous thousands of them, and maybe the ones who have been there before you, they're already dominating the SEO, so you're just hidden. So I battled with the name. I battled even the Hustler Prince. I started out with just my name, Hustler Prince. But at the point when I got to know that I had to use a name, like I had to search to make sure I'm not hidden. I searched and I saw that if I was hidden, I was hidden beneath hidden. Like there was something called hidden. I was hidden under the hidden because my first name Hustler and my surname Prince. If you just go to the YouTube search button and search Hustler Prince, see what you will see. Just search for Hustler, URSCLA, PRINCE. Search for this name and come back and tell what you see. You'll be seeing cartoons. You know that cartoon now, that Hustler cartoon. So I said, I can never compete with this one. I had to change it. Look for name. Coco the Hustler is able to become for some people. Like people that know me, I will have to correct. You hear Hustler, you hear Usula, you hear Hustler. There's no version I don't get for my name. So I'm always correcting people to give them the right pronunciation. So I felt it's still going to repeat. Like when I tell somebody, okay, my name is Hustler Prince, they'll go and type OSLA, trying to look for Hustler. You get, so it was going to be difficult. So that was why I chose the other one. And I felt, okay, let me go through the native name. At least it's more easier, and it's going to be difficult for me to see somebody with that name on YouTube. So I chose that. And I was also trying to get a good niche. Yeah. But along the line, I saw that I ran out of topics. I ran out of topic. I just felt like I was forcing it somehow. I don't know if it has happened to if you're a subscriber, or even if you're a YouTuber, or even if it's not YouTube, like in your normal business, your normal life, you see yourself starting up a business because maybe people are doing it, or you start up a business because, so for whatever reason, you just feel like, okay, let me just do this one. And when there's a stage you get to, you serious, you lack zeal, you lack motivation, you don't wake up, you don't find the joy anymore. That's not what I wanted. And I got a job. When I started out my YouTube channel, I was staying at home. I didn't know it was going to take a whole lot of my time like this, coupled with the other things I do. So when I started, I was going to work Monday to Sunday, doing other things in between. So I just felt, nah, YouTube is no longer for me. Yeah, I felt, okay, I can't do it anymore because I don't have time to video. Okay, even if I manage to video, where will I get the time to edit? I just felt, let me just leave it. Let me just leave it and concentrate. Since I have a job that is paying me, yeah, let me just leave YouTube and do this one. But okay, thanks to God and thanks to my husband. My husband refused. My husband said, you see this particular one, you want to come and start doing YouTube the way you did the other ones. You did you did fashion. I went to fashion school. Did normal fashion training. I was bragging. I am Hustler Prince Academy, Hustler Prince Fashion, Hustler Prince Teachings, Hustler Prince this and that. After some time, that light went off. I did cosmetology. Learned how to do all these soap, air freshener, stuff like that. I was doing that one, all of a sudden. That light went off. I did another thing. I started doing my and Zobo business. God, I like business, so forget. I've sold perfumes, I've sold creams, I've had a shop, like a real shop where I sold babies. I and my husband, we sold babies and like baby wear, baby clothes, baby stuffs, and creams. At the point, we stopped it because I was not having enough time for the business because I was also working. Yeah, and worst of it all, we moved to a different location that was quite far from where the shop was. So sometimes I was just like, maybe when you just come from work, just go straight to the house. I find it difficult to manage both. So at the point, now when somebody's managing a business for you, if you're not there full time, okay, you don't necessarily have to be there full time, but at least 50%, yeah, up to 50% of the time you should be there, maybe twice a week, or before the end of the day, you should be able to visit your shop and know what is going on. Okay, in the morning I saw this, in the night this is no longer there. What happened? You get that kind of, it's more easier to manage than when you're not there. Maybe you just come once a week or once in 2 weeks. So at the point, we said, let's let the lights off. Now that light went off as well, we sold off the things in the shop, made use of the money. It was helpful to us then. So I just found myself not being able to just go to work. Like, all I'm doing is go to work in the morning, come back, go to work in the morning, come back. I always want to do something. Like, even when I was in school, even when I was a student, even when I was a student, I think I was even the first person that started a side hustle. I started selling like provision things. I started out with pad, like female pad now. So what am I trying to say? Even when I was a student, I still wanted to do something. Like, let there be something else coming. I find it difficult to concentrate on a particular thing. Why it's possible for me to work in a particular place for a long time, I think because maybe that one is work. Yeah, and it has to be a job I love. It has to be a job I love doing. So, but if it's not something I love doing, forget it. I'll see another one because in fact, on the number, I don't like working in a particular place for more than 2 years. I think 2 years, 3 years. By the third year, I started having pepper body. I'm becoming uncomfortable. I now need a new place, a new environment, new people, new faces to see. That's just my type of person. Yeah, so I think let me pull this so you can see my face very well. So that's just who I've been. So why did I go that way? To explain why I've been off for a month, and yeah, when the spirit of YouTube came, it was hi, yeah, I'm going to do this. The way I'm going to do my own YouTube in 3 months, I'll monetize. I'm going to do it like this. Nobody has done it like this. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do that one. After some time, although why it's actually stopped, like I said, because of work. But I know there are people who work. There are people who work and still they are vibing on YouTube. They don't even need to come and tell you I'm working. They are working or they have a business and they are still doing their YouTube journey. So I'm back by God's grace. By God's grace. It's not by my strength. Myself alone, I want to be consistent. I want to be consistent. I want to do a particular thing and I am doing it for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. You get, but it's not by my strength. I need help. I need help. If there's any way you can help me, help me. And I need your help. So that was what led me to, I had to review. When I saw that I was lacking zeal, I began to think about topics. I began to think about, okay, if I want to come back to it, if I want to come back to posting, I started thinking about what to post, I started thinking about where to get sources of. I said, no. With this limited time I have currently, the little time I have, I will now use the time to be thinking about topic, thinking about how to write, what to script, and all that. With the little time I have, I don't need to think anything. I just want anything I'll think about. I don't need anything I'll come and be scripting. I just want something that, as I just wake up, I say, okay, today I want to shoot a YouTube video. If it's to read small book, if it's to anything, like something that I know already, you get something that I know already, I just come up and talk about it, question and answers, discuss, teach, lecture, educate. That's just what I want. I don't need something that I'll come and be writing or thinking of words. I just needed something that will flow. And after praying, somehow, some way, I think God did it, and I just had the idea that, okay, I am an accountant. I am an accountant for the love of it. It's my profession. I love finance. I love anything finance. So it is something that I can wake up and talk about. It is something that if I don't have time within the week, even just the 1 hour or 2 hours I can find for myself in each day or any day until I say, okay, let me use this time to shoot a YouTube video, I can say something and make sense. So that's the reason for the change. And I just felt the UKG doesn't be it's sounding somehow. I don't know. I may not really have a good reason for the change of name, but I just the way the zeal just came in, it just change it. The financial hustler prince, because I really wanted the hustler prince. The hustler prince is in my mind, just of mind. Even when I was using your cake, doesn't. It wasn't what I really wanted like that. I just chose it because hustler prince was maybe not working out, but somehow I was able to get hustler prince to the picture. So we're back. That's the summary of the whole matter. So what is this new niche about? This new niche is going to be targeted towards personal finance. Yeah. I'm going to be sharing ideas, business ideas. I'll help you as an individual run your personal finances. My videos are also going to help accountants, those who are in school, the students, can help for their academic work. It can help those who want to get into the career, either the career as an accountant or finance, any finance related job. That is what I want to be talking about currently. So as it is now, if I'm sleeping, finance. If I cough, finance. If I wake up, finance. If I bathe, finance. Anything. If I just on my camera and I'm looking at you like it's just that I'm looking at you with the eye of finance. Whatever thing, I just pray. This is how it is in my mind. Like anything, even if I'm vlogging, there will be something related to business, related to finance I want to talk about. Even if I'm doing a silent vlog, there's something related to finance that will chip in. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know, maybe I'm excited to be back on YouTube. I pray this excitement goes on. And I want to say shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out to most of my colleagues, most of the people that I started with. Yeah, most of them are monetized. Congratulations to Anita, Will's World. Congratulations to Yossi's Corner. Congratulations to most of you. I can't really remember all of your names. Congratulations to Asanwa Baby. Congratulations. Yes. So please, I know you subscribed because of the former me, the former content. Not too distant, but at least this time I think I'm beginning to find purpose. It's also necessary in business. In whatever thing you're doing, at a point you need to review yourself. You need to have a retreat, a time where you look at yourself, look at your progress so far. What did I not do right? What is not going on well? And there's always room for improvement. Yeah, that you started out this way does not mean you must finish up that way. If it's not working out, you change. You see what is not going on well, and then you make a new move. You get people always when people see that you're really out to continue, you're really out to improve, you're really out to adjust, you're dishing out new products, check the products that you knew that are still existing now. Things like Coca-Cola bottle, things like this. They've rebranded. The way they were in our time in the 90s, not how they are now. Every package has changed. So packaging, you rebrand, you diversify, you do so many things just to be in the market. Because if you do a particular thing for a long time, no change at all. Even yourself, you get worn out because you're trying to maintain that space, you're trying to maintain that environment. You get when other people are coming out with new ideas, new things, you're still trying to, this is what I am, this is what I am, I must do like that. No, please, it's not like that. It's not like that. So that is why I changed. So you are welcome. Let me officially welcome you to the Financial Hustler Friends. I feel so proud. I feel so happy. I feel so happy for the new year, for coming back to YouTube, for my new name, for everything, for the ideas I have. Like as it stands now, I'm not lacking ideas. Even if you see me talk about maybe accounting as a course or accountants, you will find something beneficial to you. If you don't see beneficial, you can link up someone who is an accountant. You can link up someone who is studying accounting. There's many people who are doing accounting because their parents forced them into it. Their parents say, accountants are one of the people who are making money. I want you to be chartered. I want you to do this. I want you to do that. Yeah, so there are many of them who are not really getting it as much as you can always link them up. I'll be having live videos where we'll have classes. I'll be talking about business, finance, anything that's related to money, it's related to 1+1, 1 naira to 1 naira, $2 to $2, anything related to money at all. This video is becoming too long. This video, in fact, it is too long. Alright, so I'm gonna see ya next week. I'll try as much as possible to post at least once a week. Yes, once a week, even if it's to deprive myself of some hours of sleep. I'll try. You see this consistency. You see this year, we're gonna be consistent. We're gonna be consistent. We're gonna be seeing me at least once a week. Alright, love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you. Bye.